Hey, today I want to show you how easy it is to create custom backend endpoints for your decentralized app. You're going to use Guru Data Warehouse, which is accessible under the developers section right here. Or you can often be redirected to Data Warehouse by looking for this chart symbol right here. When you use the chart symbol, you will automatically open the query that we are using on this page to get this data. So let's see how this token holdings page looks inside Data Warehouse. Once you are redirected to the warehouse, you will be able to log in using your Gmail account. This is the original query. Let's look at the source and let's fork it to make it our own and to start messing with it. This SQL query gets account balances for you and currently has 3 parameters: chain ID, network, and account address. One cool thing about this is that you can generate curl and JavaScript requests for this query on the go by going to this REST API tab. I just opened my terminal right here on the right. Let's try and paste the curl request in there. Copy, paste. There you go. You can see that you're getting the same response as you have in the table tab right here, but inside the terminal, it's in the JSON format. Let's imagine for your dApp, you only need a balance of a particular token, and this token happened to be the top one. In order to create such a request where you only receive the balance of the token you are concerned with, let's add a new parameter to this query called token address. I'm going to add a token address parameter directly inside this SQL query. Here we go. I'm going to add it right here. And I'm going to add token address parameter. Perfect. Let's not forget to save our new SQL query. And now you can see that the new parameter showed up inside this interface. Let's add the address of the token in here that we're interested in, which is this one. Apply changes. And here we go. Now the query only returns the balance of a single token that we were interested in. While you're changing the query, we automatically generate curl and JavaScript requests for you. As long as you don't forget to save your query, you can find them inside this REST API tab already with your API key ready to use. Make sure that the parameters you have are the ones you want, then copy the request and use it inside your code. Let's try and see this curl request inside the terminal again. Here you go. You can see that we have a new parameter token address inside this request. Enter, and there you go. We get the balance of the token that we wanted. You can find all kinds of queries to fork and modify it inside this query section. There you go. But besides using and modifying existing queries, you are welcome to create your own. Get familiar with our data schema that you can find right here on the left when you open any of the queries. Get familiar with it and have fun. Create your own queries that are perfectly tailored to your app.